From the vast expanse of the cosmos to the intricate workings of our planet, technology reshapes our understanding of the universe. Drones have taken flight, revolutionizing industries and capturing imaginations worldwide. These unmanned aerial vehicles, once science fiction, are now common, used for photography, delivery, and rescue. The rise of drones presents opportunities and challenges, especially with legal regulations. Drones' accessibility has made them popular among hobbyists and professionals. But concerns about safety, privacy, and security have led to laws regulating their use. Understanding these regulations is crucial for anyone operating a drone. Non-compliance can result in fines, legal issues, and drone confiscation. Drones are bound by regulations to ensure airspace safety and security. To understand drone regulations, let's look at two major players, the United States and the European Union. These regions offer contrasting approaches to drone governance, providing valuable insights. In the United States, the FAA regulates all aspects of civil aviation, including drones. The FAA has established comprehensive rules, including registration and safety guidelines. The European Union seeks a harmonized approach, creating a single set of rules for all member states. The EU's regulations focus on a risk-based approach, categorizing drones by weight and proximity to people. Both the US and EU aim to integrate drones safely into their airspaces. They recognize the potential of drones to revolutionize industries and improve efficiency. Imagine the thrill of piloting a drone over a breathtaking landscape, capturing stunning aerial footage. Now, picture the disappointment of discovering your chosen location is a no-fly zone where drone operation is prohibited. No-fly zones protect sensitive areas, critical infrastructure, and public safety. These areas include airports, military bases, national parks, and historical landmarks. Familiarize yourself with no-fly zones and required permits before launching your drone. Flying near airports often requires permission from aviation authorities. Height restrictions are crucial, typically ranging from 400 to 500 feet. These rules prevent collisions and ensure safety on the ground. As drones transcend national borders, so too must the laws that govern their use. Enter the International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO, a specialized agency of the United Nations that sets global standards and recommended practices for civil aviation. The ICAO plays a crucial role in harmonizing drone regulations worldwide, promoting a safe and efficient global air transport system that includes both manned and unmanned aircraft. While the ICAO's guidelines are not legally binding, they serve as a framework for national governments to develop their own drone regulations. These guidelines cover a wide range of issues, including drone registration, pilot licensing, operational requirements, and airworthiness standards. Recognizing the global nature of drone operations, the ICAO emphasizes the importance of international cooperation and information sharing among member states. This collaborative approach is essential for addressing the cross-border challenges posed by drones, such as the transport of dangerous goods, illicit activities, and potential security threats. The ICAO also plays a vital role in promoting research and development in the field of unmanned aviation, facilitating the safe and responsible integration of drones into the global airspace. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, the ICAO's role in shaping international drone laws will become increasingly important, ensuring that these unmanned aircraft contribute to a safer, more efficient, and more sustainable future for all. Section 5. Drones in the courtroom. The rise of a new witness. Imagine a crime scene, frozen in time, captured from a vantage point previously unimaginable. The rise of drones has ushered in a new era of evidence gathering in law enforcement and forensic investigations. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging, and other advanced sensors, drones can provide investigators with a unique perspective on crime scenes, accidents, and natural disasters. Drone footage can be used to reconstruct events, identify suspects, and gather crucial evidence that might otherwise be inaccessible or too dangerous to obtain through traditional means. However, the use of drones in law enforcement raises important legal and ethical questions, particularly when it comes to privacy, data security, and the admissibility of drone evidence in court. To ensure the integrity and admissibility of drone evidence, law enforcement agencies must follow strict protocols for drone operation, data collection, and evidence handling. Just like any other form of evidence, drone footage must be obtained legally and handled carefully to avoid contamination or tampering. This includes maintaining a clear chain of custody from the moment the drone takes flight to the presentation of the evidence in court. The increasing use of drones in law enforcement has also prompted discussions about the need for specialized training for drone operators, ensuring that they are well versed in the relevant laws, regulations, and ethical considerations. Section 6, Chain of Custody, ensuring the integrity of drone evidence. In the legal realm, the concept of chain of custody is paramount. It refers to the chronological documentation of the handling, storage, and transfer of evidence from the moment it is collected to its presentation in court. Maintaining an unbroken chain of custody is crucial for ensuring the integrity and admissibility of evidence, demonstrating that it has not been tampered with or contaminated. When it comes to drone evidence, establishing a clear chain of custody is essential. This process begins the moment the drone is dispatched to a scene and continues throughout the entire investigation. Each step, from the drone operator's identity and qualifications to the date, time, and location of the footage captured, must be meticulously documented. The data storage and retrieval process must also adhere to strict security protocols to prevent unauthorized access, modification, or deletion. Any breaks in the chain of custody can cast doubt on the reliability of the evidence, potentially jeopardizing the outcome of a case. Section 7. Objections overruled. Presenting drone footage in court. Imagine a courtroom buzzing with anticipation as the prosecution prepares to present its case. The evidence-stunning aerial footage captured by a drone, providing a bird's-eye view of the alleged crime. But before this compelling evidence can be shown to the jury, it must first overcome a critical hurdle: admissibility. Presenting drone footage in court presents unique challenges, as it requires careful consideration of legal precedents, evidentiary rules, and the potential for bias. One of the primary concerns surrounding drone footage is the potential for it to be misleading or prejudicial. The angle, zoom, and editing of the footage can all influence how the jury perceives the events in question. Defense attorneys may argue that the footage is selective, presenting only a partial or biased view of the situation. To address these concerns, prosecutors must present the footage in a clear, objective, and unbiased manner, providing context and avoiding any manipulation that could mislead the jury. Section 8. The future of drone law. Striking a balance between innovation and responsibility. As we gaze into the future of drone technology, we see a sky brimming with possibilities. Drones have the potential to revolutionize countless industries, from agriculture and construction to transportation and disaster relief. They can help us monitor the environment, deliver goods more efficiently, and even provide life-saving assistance in emergency situations. However, this rapid technological advancement also presents complex legal and ethical challenges that must be addressed to ensure the responsible use of drones in our skies. Striking a balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding public safety, privacy, and security will be crucial for the future of drone law. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, lawmakers, regulators, and industry stakeholders must work together to develop comprehensive and adaptable regulations that keep pace with these advancements. This includes addressing emerging challenges such as the use of artificial intelligence in drone operations, the potential for autonomous drone swarms, and the ethical implications of drone surveillance. Section 9, Conclusion: Soaring into the Future, Informed and Prepared. As we conclude our exploration of the legal landscape of drone usage, one thing is clear: the sky is no longer the limit. Drones have opened up a world of possibilities, transforming industries, enhancing our lives, and pushing the boundaries of technological innovation. However, with this newfound freedom of flight comes a responsibility to understand and respect the rules and regulations that govern the use of these unmanned aircraft. Whether you are a seasoned drone pilot or just starting out, familiarizing yourself with the relevant domestic and international drone laws is essential for ensuring the safe, responsible, and enjoyable operation of these fascinating flying machines. Just as astronomers rely on their telescopes to observe the cosmos, so too must drone operators equip themselves with the knowledge and understanding necessary to navigate the complex world of drone regulations. By staying informed, respecting the law, and prioritizing safety and privacy, we can all contribute to a future where drones continue to soar, not only through our skies, but also through the boundless realms of human ingenuity and progress.